The Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, released in early 2021, is the base model of Samsung's flagship S21 series. While it doesn't offer the same level of features as the Ultra model, it still delivers a high-end experience at a more affordable price point. The Galaxy S21 5G focuses on providing a balanced combination of design, performance, and camera quality, all while supporting 5G connectivity. Here's a detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, design and build quality. The Galaxy S21 5G has a more compact design compared to its Ultra sibling. It features a 6.2-inch flat display, which makes it easier to handle for those who prefer smaller phones. It has a plastic back, as opposed to glass in the more expensive models, but the matte finish feels premium and resistant to fingerprints. Camera module design. The camera module is integrated into the frame, creating a sleek and modern look. It's available in multiple colors, including Phantom Gray, Phantom White, Phantom Violet, and Phantom Pink. Durability. The front is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, and the phone has an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, making it durable enough for everyday use. Display. 6.2-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The Galaxy S21 5G features a Full HD+, 2400 by 1080, display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animation smooth. Performance. The Galaxy S21 5G is powered by either the Exynos 2100, global, or Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, USA, China. Both chipsets deliver top-tier performance, capable of handling demanding tasks such as gaming, multitasking, and 4K video recording with ease. RAM and storage. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and offers 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage. However, there's no microSD slot, meaning you'll need to rely on the internal storage. Software. The phone runs on Android 11 with One UI 3.1 at launch but has since been updated to Android 13 with One UI 5.1. Camera system. Triple camera setup, 12MP main camera. The primary sensor captures vibrant, detailed photos with excellent color accuracy in well-lit conditions. 12MP ultra-wide camera, 64MP telephoto camera. This telephoto lens provides 3x hybrid zoom and up to 30x digital zoom. Front camera. The 10MP selfie camera captures sharp and detailed selfies, and it supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. Battery life. 4000 mAh battery. The Galaxy S21 5G comes with a 4000 mAh battery, which provides a full day of use with moderate usage. Charging. It supports 25W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 4.5W reverse wireless charging. Pros. Excellent display with vibrant colors and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Powerful performance with the Exynos 2100 or Snapdragon 888 chipset. Solid camera system for everyday photography and good zoom capabilities. Compact and lightweight design for easier handling. 5G support for future-proof connectivity. IP68 water and dust resistance. Cons. No expandable storage, no microSD card slot. Plastic back feels less premium compared to glass. No charger included in the box. Smaller battery may not last as long under heavy use. No UWB or advanced camera features like the Ultra model. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy S21 5G is an excellent option for those who want a premium flagship experience without needing all the bells and whistles of the Ultra model. It delivers top-tier performance, a stunning display, and a versatile camera system in a more compact, affordable package. While it lacks some of the advanced features of its pricier siblings, like S Pen support and a glass back, the S21 5G is still a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-performance smartphone with future-proof 5G capabilities.